And you might know we're going on a helicopter. You can see from this, bro. And this is gonna be my first time. I'm kind of nervous, and it will be fun. I don't know.
Our first priority is safety. Please pay attention to the following short safety presentation about the terminal and your flight in the EC-130 helicopter. In a few moments, all passengers will be weighed, so the seating assignments can be made in accordance with aircraft limitations. For safety, carry-on baggage is not permitted. A locker will be provided to store your belongings immediately after the completion of this video. Tablets, selfie sticks, professional cameras, camera lenses greater than 400mm, also not permitted on the flight. Flash photography is not permitted at any time. You will be passing through a security check prior to boarding. All food and drinks must be left in the terminal. Please remove all metallic items and place them in the basket prior to going through the scanner. If necessary, a secondary screening will be performed. Once you go through the security check, mobile phones must be set to airplane mode. You will be wearing a life vest as part of the tour takes place over water. To put on the vest, bring the strap around your waist and buckle. Tighten the strap using the yellow tabs. To use the vest, pull the flap upwards, extend, and place it over your head. To inflate the vest, pull down on the red tabs. If it does not fully inflate, you can blow into the tube to inflate it further. A light will activate upon contact with water. Only use the life vest for a water landing and never inflate it inside the helicopter. Our staff will guide you to and from the helicopter using the designated walkways. If you are traveling with children, please hold their hand while walking towards the helicopter. For your safety, you are not allowed to take pictures and video until you get inside the helicopter. A photographer will be taking pictures for you during this process. Please hold any loose items and headwear tightly to prevent them from blowing away. While walking in the vicinity of the helicopter, remain low and never raise your hands above your head. The rotor blades will be spinning very fast and are dangerous. Never approach the rear of the helicopter. Your seat will be pre-assigned. Do not step on the flotation cover. Please use the step and handhold provided. After boarding, please do not place any items under the seats or in the floor that would block access to the exits. If you are seated near the pilot, please do not touch any of the controls or switches. Our staff will assist you in buckling your safety harness. They will place the 3 tabs into the buckle. The harness should sit low and snug on your waist. Tighten the belt by pulling the tabs on either side. It must remain buckled during the entire flight and until the pilot informs you it is safe to unbuckle. Your headset has a microphone and a volume knob. Feel free to adjust these as needed. To unbuckle, turn in either direction until the tabs release. The aircraft has 3 doors, which also function as emergency exits. The front doors open by pulling the black handle up and pushing outwards. These doors can be jettisoned after an emergency landing by pulling upwards on the orange handle. The rear door opens by pulling the black handle up, pushing outwards, and sliding the door to the rear. Please wait for our staff to assist you. Our staff will open and close the doors for you. Regulations do not permit smoking at any time during your flight. Smoking is also not allowed inside the terminal or outside on the entire helipad area. A fire extinguisher is located on the floor next to the pilot. First aid kits are located either next to or between the rear seats. An emergency locating transmitter is also located in the rear baggage compartment. Safety information cards are located in the seat back in front of you or in the pockets next to the seats. The pilot will give you instructions for any emergency actions should the need arise during flight. After landing from the tour, you will be guided to a safe location for photos. The terminal has 2 evacuation routes. One leads outside to the helipad, the other leads to the rear parking lot. Please follow the staff instructions. They will guide you to a safe assembly point away from the building.
Thank you for watching video. Sorry, mandatory cap not allowed. And also
So we put my precious cap in this locker and the key is on my shirt or neck. I don't know. I guess no harps then. Bro. Our helicopter here. Okay, so I'm going in the helicopter now. I can't speak because of the air pressure, and even if I try to speak, and even if I speak and I scream at the top of my lungs, you won't be able to hear me because of the sound of the helicopter. Woohoo! We're going up! Ooh, I'm kind of nervous, yo. Imagine if this is false, but if this video get posted on YouTube, that means I'm alive. We're up in the sky. Look at that sea, bro. Yep, I know my camera skills are not that good, but I don't care. Look at this view. The wild, the roads, that's the beach, that's the sea, and we're just turning. And look at that, bro. That's the Atlantis Hotel. It's a very good hotel next to the beach, bro. We actually rented a room there for like 1 day to stay there, but cool. And look at the Jumeirah. The Palm Jumeirah. Do you see like the middle part which is supposed to be the wood, and then the leaves on the left and right? Look, it's very beautiful. You should come here and look at this. Look at this man. Look at this building, bro. It's so weird. It's really weird. Like, and on the right side, that's the Atlantis Water Park. Look at that, all downtown Dubai. I'm Palm Jumeirah, of course. This is the border of Palm Jumeirah, and yeah, look, it's very beautiful. There's a boat going there, downtown, and this island you see here, I'm going to zoom in 1 second. Yeah, so you see this island? It's named the Crown Island. Look. Like shaped like a crown, you know. And you see the Burj Khalifa in the top middle, I guess. And look at that. But last part please. So this is downtown. That's the Burj Khalifa. And yeah, look at all the houses, Burj Khalifa. Yeah, look at that. The Museum of the Future. I came there. Probably another video coming. Stay tuned. And look at this. This is one last part, please. You know, this is literally dependent on the world. The world's map. So on the bottom that's South Antarctica. I don't know, I'm not looking at maps. We are landing now. We are going down on the helicopter pad, and this is very fast. We're like going down. My ears are full closed, so if you ever go here, get some gum because that's where we're landing in 3, 2, 1. We are on the ground. Look at the bushes. They're like, phew, they're flying. I'm going out of the helicopter now. It's very like sunny here, so the camera couldn't pick everything. But I am out of the helicopter. I'm safe and secure. You know? Yeah.